Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Canaday, Losant's Chief Product Officer, and today I'm bringing you details about our most recent platform update. This update brings new visibility into the performance of your edge and cloud workflows through workflow debug timing. The new agent config set node provides the ability to dynamically change your edge agent configuration at runtime using an edge workflow. And lastly, experience previews streamline the development and testing of your end user experiences by offering live render previews while editing your experience pages. Last July, we introduced Workflow Metrics, which provides excellent high-level insights into how your workflows are performing. With today's update and workflow debug timing, we can now dig deeper to see exactly where your workflows spend time. Whenever a debug node is executed, Losant now collects timing information for every node that led up to that debug node. This information is displayed in a new timing tab on each debug log entry. This performance information is helpful when resolving workflow timeouts, identifying third-party services that take an especially long time to respond, or when comparing two implementations to see which one performs better. As applications grow to millions of devices and billions of payloads, ensuring your workflows are as fast as possible is critical. Workflow debug timing gives you the visibility required to make this happen. In our previous update, we released the agent config get node, which allows edge workflows to easily retrieve the configuration of the Losant edge agent itself. Today's update provides the companion to that node, the agent config set node. This node allows you to dynamically change the configuration of the edge agent at runtime using an edge workflow. This node is especially powerful when combined with our recently released on-disk workflows. To showcase this power, we've also released two new library templates that provide some amazing out-of-the-box functionality. The Edge Agent Configuration webpage uses an on-disk workflow and the Edge Agent's web server to host an easy-to-use local web page to set or change the agent's configuration. We've also released the Edge Agent Auto Registration template, which allows the Edge Agent to register itself as a new device. You can find both of these templates in the template library. And lastly, we've added a live preview when editing experience pages. The best way to describe what this is just to show you. What I have here is the login page for the Industrial Equipment Monitor application template. If you click the full screen button at the bottom right of the editor, you'll now have access to a new Render Preview tab that will show you what the page looks like in real time. Most experience pages are rendering data from a context object. The best thing about the render preview is that we can change the context in any way we want and instantly see how it affects the page. For example, this page displays an error message if the query parameter named invalid is set to true. At the top right corner, we can click the context editor to explicitly change the context to test this template. As you can see, when this query parameter is set, I am correctly seeing an error message. However, the error message says username, but the login page takes an email, so I need to change this message. I can go back to the template, change the message, and preview it again to make sure everything looks correct. Now that things look good, I can save and publish this page. The new experience preview greatly streamlines the process when it comes to developing and testing end user experiences. Make sure to check out the blog article for this update. There are a lot of other features I didn't mention, and many of them came directly from your feedback. So please keep coming back to the forums and leaving those feature suggestions. Nothing at Losant ships without being fully documented, so you can find information about everything I talked about in our documentation. I'll see you on the next platform update.